Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to back up and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. Alright, let's begin. To back up your WhatsApp chats, tap the three dots, go to Settings, then Chats, and open Chat Backup. First, select your Google account where you want your messages backed up. In frequency, choose Daily, Weekly, or Monthly backups. Turn on the option to include videos if needed. Once set, tap the backup button. This will save all your chats and media to the selected Google account. To restore chats, tap Agree and Continue, then verify your phone number. After verification, WhatsApp will check for backups. Once found, tap Restore. All your chats and media will be restored automatically. So that's basically how you can back up and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.